Roll up. It's time to introduce our latest collaboration kit, which we have created with the incredible Giffords Circus. Now, for those of you who don't know Giffords, they are an incredible travelling circus set up by the much loved late Nell Gifford in the 2000s. And they travel around the country, setting up their big top, bringing it to village greens near you, and whisking audiences into a magical world, a creative show full of performers from all over the world, doing daring acts, set to incredible music and beautiful theme. The whole thing is handmade, it's creative, it's art in circus form. So when we approached to work with them, as someone who has loved Giffords for years, it is truly an honour to be able to create a design for them. I wanted to capture within this design the spirit of Giffords, their usherettes, the classic uniform, the colour palette of the burgundies, the blues, the reds, everything we love and is so identifiably Giffords, the horses which are such a part of the show and the memories. I wanted to create a piece for those out there who love Giffords like me to be able to stitch a little piece of Giffords for their own home. Now, these kits are part of our Night at the Circus range, which do not be intimidated, but it does mean they are freestyle kits. The kit contains everything you need to create 2 stitchable pieces. You have a small sampler, and that sampler teaches you 8 different embroidery stitches. You then have all sorts of fun little things in the kit itself. You've got some stickers, because who doesn't love stickers? You've got a beautiful poster capturing Giffords' slogan of wilder and more magical than ever. And then you also have a full design which you are able to embroider yourself. And I will not tell you exactly what stitches to put where. The idea of these kits is that you bring that creative spirit of Giffords to your own work. So you learn the stitches. We have videos to show you how to do all the different stitches, but then you take what you've learned from the way those stitches behave, from the way you use them, and you can embellish your horse and usherette however you choose to. Alongside the kit, as with all our kits, we have some amazing framing options for you. So we have a hand-painted frame, which we are painting here in the studio, which is in those iconic Giffords colours and will beautifully complement the design. But for the hand makers amongst you, we also have one that you can paint yourself. So you can get an unpainted frame and paint it up yourself. Or, if you'd rather, the design works to a UK size of A3, and so you can buy any other frame out there and you could choose to frame it however you like. Now, this is one of our more niche collaborations because you're only really going to stitch this if you know and love Giffords. But when I started this business, it was always been a business that's deeply personal. It's a business where I want to celebrate things that I love and things that I think we should have more of in the world, and Giffords is one of those. So whilst we know that this kit is not for everyone, we think for those people whose Giffords has had that same impact on their childhood as they've grown up, on their lives, that they hope to have that impact on their children's lives. We hope this is a really beautiful kit for you to enjoy making and for you to cherish for years, much as you cherish those memories from going to the circus. We as a team went along to the circus this week, taking our tiniest little member Sasha with us, and had the most incredible time starting those memories of my own and being able to see the kit in situ in the circus stand. And that was truly a real honour, a privilege, and one of the highlights for me of 6 years of running the business. So I really do hope you love this kit as much as we do.